Yeah, Italy English is my stilo. Gioca 2021, Sardinia Island, Sardinia. John Solinas on the beat. Yeah. I started with this rap shit when I was a ragazzino. I wasn't good at calcio, so I started fucking with the rhythm. My voice is like a grido, like there was an omicidio. I represent my people and I'm fighting for the freedom. Rimo, my rhyme style, call it cappuccino. Come taste the great pasta that I cucino with my cugino. John Solinas from Sardinia, yes we do casino. Call me Tony Gioca, Italy English is my style. My rap is good like Italian food, and I'm telling the truth when I speak about my hood in the booth. Sardinia mood is often misunderstood. They think that we rude and often too proud, maybe because we talking too loud. But we move the clouds away, prove we did our way. La bella vita is not what we live in today. I speak English, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak English, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak English, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak English, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak Englishano, rap maccheronico. My pistol smoking like chronic, my bullet supersonico. Gioca Luciano, rap italiano tragicomico. Call me the strano, actually I don't spit, I vomito. Homie goes, you the shit man, I say logical. I represent Sardinia Island, fuck the violence, I stay focused on. Real impact, check 1, 2 and you don't stop. Breaking graffiti art and boom back, that's la onda. If I come to the US, you will probably call me Dago. My face is like a mix of races, they don't know where I come from. It seems like I'm Latino, white, Arabic, Chicano. But if you get to know me well, I'm just a sardo italiano. Not from Milano, I'm from the south, they call me Villano. Terrone, pastore, but fuck the races, that's my motto. My place is the world, no matter where I go. And everywhere that I flow, everybody say bravo. I speak Englishano, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak Englishano, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak Englishano, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak Englishano, macronico all'acqua di rosa. Sto rap supersonico uccide le pose. I speak Englishano, Italy English is my stilo.